In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple Activepieces flow using OpenAI. We're going to walk through the basic setup for building a flow that takes incoming data, sends it to ChatGPT, and tests the result. This is a great starting point if you want to automate content generation, summarization, replies, or any task where you want AI to respond to information coming into your workflow. To begin, open your Activepieces dashboard and create a new flow by clicking New Flow. This gives you a blank automation canvas where you can build your workflow step by step. If you're new to Activepieces, think of a flow as a sequence of actions that starts with a trigger and then performs tasks based on that trigger. Next, select a trigger. This is what starts the automation. You can choose something like a webhook if you want the flow to run when data is sent from another app, a schedule if you want it to run automatically at certain times, or a new email trigger if you want it to react when an email arrives. The right choice depends on how you want your automation to begin, so choose the trigger that best matches your use case. Once your trigger is in place, add a new step and search for the OpenAI piece. This is the integration that lets Activepieces communicate with ChatGPT. After selecting it, choose the Ask ChatGPT action. This action is designed to send a prompt to the model and return a response inside your flow. At this point, you'll need to connect your OpenAI API key so the platform can access your OpenAI account. Enter your key in the connection field and save it. Make sure your key is active and properly configured so the step can run without errors. Now take the data coming from your trigger and pass it into the prompt box. In other words, you're telling ChatGPT what information to work with. For example, if your trigger collects message text, form content, or email content, you can insert that dynamic data directly into the prompt. It's usually a good idea to make the prompt clear and specific so the AI gives you a more useful response. Finally, test the flow step. Running a test helps you confirm that the trigger data is being passed correctly, that the OpenAI connection is working, and that ChatGPT returns the kind of output you expect. If the result isn't quite right, adjust the prompt and test again until it looks good. And that's it. You now have a basic Activepieces flow connected to OpenAI and ready to build on.